Tired of juggling multiple crypto apps? Let's unlock the secret of managing your Tron TRX directly within Telegram in under 90 seconds. First, fire up Telegram and use the search bar to find your preferred Telegram wallet bot. Popular options include wallet or crypto bot, but be sure to do your research and choose a reputable one. Once you've found your chosen bot, start a conversation with it. Typically, you'll need to tap a start button, then look for a wallet or balance option within the bot's menu and tap it. Inside your wallet, locate the deposit button. It's usually clearly labeled. Tap on deposit to initiate the TRX deposit process. The bot will now likely present you with a list of cryptocurrencies you can deposit. Scroll through the list and carefully select Tron TRX. This is crucial. The bot will now generate a unique TRX deposit address for you. Sometimes a memo is also required. Make sure to carefully copy both the address and the memo. If one is provided, use the copy icons to avoid errors. Now, head over to the crypto exchange or wallet where your Tron is currently stored. Find the withdraw or send option and select TRX as the cryptocurrency you want to send. Paste the TRX deposit address and memo required from your Telegram bot into the corresponding fields in your withdrawal form. Double check everything. Incorrect details could result in lost funds. Enter the amount of TRX you wish to deposit and confirm the withdrawal. Head back to your Telegram wallet. It may take a few minutes, depending on network congestion, but your Tron deposit should appear in your wallet balance shortly. Congratulations, you've successfully deposited Tron into your Telegram wallet. Now you can enjoy managing your crypto within your favorite messaging app.